friends and welcome to today headlines. Friends, my accent may be a bit bad, but I sincerely promise you that I will always tell you the truth. Ignoring warning from election officials, Trump again suggested supporters should try to vote twice. President Donald Trump suggested to his supporters on Friday night that if they vote by mail, they should also attempt to vote in person as a way to check that their vote is counted, which risks causing chaos at the polls and undermine confidence in the election. In a North Carolina Telereally Friday night, which was later posted on Facebook, Trump spent the first few minutes of the call explaining in detail how he wanted his voters to vote. If they vote by mail, they should go to their polling place anyway to see whether or not your mail in vote has been tabulated and counted. Trump said, noting that if it is been counted, they won't be able to vote. It is a federal crime to vote twice in the same election, and it is also a felony in almost every state, including North Carolina. Trump also addressed the possibility that a voter's mail-in ballot would be tabulated after they had voted in person. If it is not been counted, vote, which is every citizen's right to do. You go and vote. You press the lever and vote. So if has not been counted, if it doesn't show up, go and vote. And then, if your mail-in ballot arrive after you vote, which it should not, but possibly it counted perhaps, that ballot will not be used or counted in that your vote has already been cast and tabulated. So this way you are guaranteed to have your vote count. Trump said, so send it in and then see and then vote and let us see what happen. You are now assured though that your very precious and important vote has been cast counted.